Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to insert SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to insert the SIM card ensures that your device is fully functional and ready to use for communication and other mobile services. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, locate the SIM card tray is at the top of the phone. So take the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone or use a small paper clip. Next, you can insert the SIM ejector into the small hole on the SIM card tray and apply gentle pressure to eject the tray. Okay, once the SIM card tray is ejected, carefully remove it from the phone and place your SIM card into the appropriate slot on the SIM card tray, like this. And here you can insert the SIM card tray back into the phone, aligning it properly with the slot. Gently push the tray back into the phone until it is securely in place. Okay, now your device should recognize the SIM card and you should be able to use it for calls, messages, and data. Well, that's the tutorial on how to insert the SIM card on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.